viewers, welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to explain about the dictionary methods. There are total 11 methods are there. In this video, I am going to show you the 3 methods: get, update and copy. So please walk through with me. Let me show you the code. So first, let me open the Jupyter notebook. Please wait. So first we see what methods are there. If you want to check the list of the methods, just simply you need to write a small syntax: print of directory of dict. Dict means dictionary. Here is the list. You can see these all are the methods. So let me explain one by one. So first one is the get method. So if you want to access the value without using the get method also, you can access it simply by using the key. But if you want to access a value through the method, use the get. So let me show you. I have one dictionary one, name Lalit, location Bangalore, age 30 years, something I am taking. So now if you want to access the value, here I am going to show you the first way without using the method. Generally what we do, take the variable dict1 of, write the key inside of the square bracket, which value you want to access. So maybe I want to see the location. What is the value for the location? So you can see Bangalore. This is one way. Here I haven't used any method, but using method, how to write the syntax. Let me take this. So dict1 dot, first you need to write the variable name, after method get of. Now you can write the variable name. Maybe I want to see the age. So print of dict1. Oh sorry, you have to, it is printing the entire dictionary. So if you want to access the value, just write the print statement here itself. You can see the value of the age 30. So same, if you want to access one more value, just write like a dict1 dot get of, which one you want to see, maybe name. See Lalit. So you can access the value either using of the method, or you can directly give the key name inside of the square bracket. Next, what is update? Just take example. Here I have one dictionary. This is already have some information, but I want to update with the new values. That means I have the dict2 is equal to, I have some more information, phone number, you can take it as a phone number as in the integer format, or you can take the string format. So phone number, and I have one more, maybe the blood group. O positive. So this information I want to update into the dict1. This information is also regarding for the Lalit. So how to update this information into the dict1? So simply use the method of update. So take the dict1 dot update of dict2. So no information because we need to do the updating. So print of dict1, you can see. So already you have some information but you want to update any new information into the existing one, then you can use the update method. Here what I am doing, I am taking the dict2 information and updating with the dict1. So this is the update method. And copy is a method, it is going to return the shallow copy of the dictionary. So just take the example here. So dict2 is equal to dict1 dot copy. So I'm going to copy the dictionary 1 information and I'm pasting into the dictionary 2. So print of dict2. So it is a shallow copy of the dictionary. So these are the 3 methods. In next video, I am going to explain about the pop item, del and remove, del and clear. So please follow my channel. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you in next video.